the ride is kind of harsh, but also I have it like really low, both on front and back, so it does look good though. I don't think it's the ride height actually. I think it's the dampening. I have the dampening adjusted to 18. There's a full of 36 adjustments. I have it in the middle, 18. Maybe I'll make it a little softer. But it is pretty low in the back. See? Like there's 0. It's actually inside the fender. Yeah. Let's see how that looks. I had that thing that goes that first is the axles because of the angle. Looks really good though. I have those LED DRLs. I gotta go to better lighting. Not sure why the ride is kinda. Maybe it just needs like a braking time or something. Because the shock is kinda hard right now. Maybe I'll like adjust it to softest setting. Because as you saw, the springs on the back is in the lowest setting possible. The front I can go lower. The back I think I gotta do like those, what do you call it, the shock adjustments to make it lower. Yeah. Yeah, my turbo's probably blown, or I have a boost leak. It makes the dental rin sound. Turn that popping off, the diesel pop. I actually don't like that. Yeah, it does handle much better. It's much quicker. Because there's no body roll. I also put new swivel links in the back, so it should be better. Yeah, it's much quicker. It doesn't take forever to turn. Yeah, I'm just scared that some. Yeah, it's not bouncy though, but just, what is it? It's kind of hard. Like you can feel every bump. The car responds faster to the throttle. It's not the fastest car, but it does the job. Subarus around here. Yeah, it's much smoother though. Like the shocks I had, I'll show you later, but just all 4 of them were shot. They weren't doing anything. Yeah, and also my downshifts. Oh shit. Still a third gear. might go higher. I really like the way it looks, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna scrape, and the place I work has like a lot of bumps and stuff, but it's a factory. Trucks run around there, so roads are bad. I gotta go higher for sure, but let's see a bump. Yeah. For now, it's like I took it towards 60. 60, it's not bad, but I don't know how it acts over like 100 miles per hour or something. But that was my biggest problem with the stock suspension I had. The car just goes everywhere with the stock suspension. It wasn't stable on the high speed. The low speed, the stock suspension, getting in and up is harder now. Yeah, there's no rub. I mean, and the clearance, not the rub. It doesn't rub in the back either. I'm pretty sure if I get a bigger wheels, it's gonna rub though. Oh, fuck it. Yeah, there's enough space to turn the wheels. Yeah, I like the way it looks.